A man was beheaded by two men in Udaipur's Malda Street area today. He had shared a social media post in support of suspended BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma a few days ago. The two men posted a video boasting about the beheading and threatened PM Modi's life as well. Locals protested after the incident that took place in broad daylight. Shops in Malda Street area of Udaipur have been closed following the incident. Udaipur Superintendent of Police Manoj Kumar Chaudhary said few accused have been identified and arrested. A heinous murder has been committed and a thorough investigation will be conducted into the incident. Few accused have been identified. Police teams have been constituted to locate the accused. We will take action on the video of men claiming to have committed the act, Chaudhary said. The BJP had suspended party spokesperson Nupur Sharma earlier this month for her controversial remarks during a TV debate.